Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at some more synonyms, words that are easily confused because the meanings are so similar. Today we're looking at 4 words. First one, declare. Second one, announce. Third one, proclaim. Fourth one, pronounce. All words that are used to describe ways of speaking. So what's the difference between the 4? Declare, announce, proclaim, pronounce. All the words are quite formal, so let's look at each one in turn. Starting with declare. Declare means to say something publicly in a serious, formal or emphatic manner. For example, the Prime Minister declared an end to austerity measures. When we announce something, it's usually to make a statement about a fact or an intention. For example, the President announced that the siege would soon be lifted. Proclaim is to say something officially, but it's stronger and more official than just declare. For example, he proclaimed Elizabeth II as the Queen of England. Pronounce is stronger than just announce, and we use it to say something, to announce something officially, but also solemnly or ceremoniously. For example, at a wedding, the priest or the vicar will say something like, "I pronounce you husband and wife." So there we are. 4 words with similar meanings, so therefore synonyms, but are used in slightly different situations, in slightly different ways. English grammar, synonyms, most of the time they are easy peasy. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. I declare this lesson has ended. Bye-bye for now.